Hello students, today we are going to discuss about glycosides, its definition, classification, properties and identification test. Definition. These are organic compounds, mainly of plant origin and rarely of animals, which on enzymatic or acid hydrolysis yield one or more sugar moiety, that is glycon, and a non-sugar moiety, that is aglycon or genin. Second, classification. It is classified in basically four categories based on chemical nature of non-sugar moiety, based on nature of sugar moiety, based on the linkage between glycon and aglycon portion, and fourth one based on therapeutic activity. So coming to the first one, based on chemical nature of non-sugar moiety. Under this first one, anthraquinone glycosides. Examples are senna, rhubarb, cascara. Second one, sterol or cardiac glycosides. Examples, digitalis, squill. Third one, saponin glycoside. Examples are licorice, dioscorea, ginseng. Fourth one, cyanogenetic or cyanophoric glycosides. Examples are white cherry bark and bitter almond. Fifth one, isothiocyanate glycoside. Example, black mustard. Sixth one, flavonoid glycoside. Examples, citrus bioflavonoid, senna, licorice. Seventh one, coumarin glycosides or furanocoumarin glycoside. Examples, celery fruit and asafoetida. Eighth one, aldehyde glycoside. Examples, vanilla pods. Ninth one, phenol glycosides. Examples, salsiu. 10th one, steroidal glycosides. 11th one, glucosidal bitter, Salix species. 12th one, lactone glycosides, canthrides. So these are the 12 different chemical nature non-sugar moiety based classification of glycosides. Second one, based on nature of sugar moiety. Under second, the first one, glucoside, where the sugar portion is glucose. Second one, rhamnoside, where the sugar portion is rhamnose. Third one, pentoside, sugar portion is pentose. Fourth, fructosides, sugar portion is fructose. Fifth one, arabinosides, sugar portion is arabinose. The third category of classification based on linkage between the glycon and aglycon portion. Under this first one, C-glycoside, where the hydroxyl group of glycon and HC of aglycon, they will link and release the water molecule and they will become glycon C aglycon. That's what the linkage is, carbon atom. That's what it is called, the C glycosides. Second one, O glycosides. Here OH and the HO, the linkage between the glycon and aglycon will be oxygen. Example, senna and rhubarb. These O glycosides found. Third one, S glycoside. In this glycoside, the sugar part is linked with sulfur atom, right? So example is cinegreen. The fourth one, N glycosides, nucleosides, where the amino group reacts with the hydroxyl group of ribose, resulting into N glycosides. Example, nucleoside, DNA, RNA, right? So where the atom is the linkage between these two parts, glycon and aglycon, so it will be called carbon, oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur glycosides. Fourth one, based on therapeutic activity. What is their action, pharmacological action according to that? The first one, cardiac glycosides. Examples are digitalis, squill, stropanthus. Second one, laxative glycosides. Example, senna, from senna, sennoside A, B, C, D. Cascara, from cascara, cascaroside A and B. Aloe vera, aloin. Third one, anti-ulcer glycoside. Example, licorice. Fourth one, bitter glycoside. Example, cassia wood. Fifth one, local irritant. Example, black mustard. From black mustard, cinegreen. Sixth one, analgesic and antipyretic. Here, willow and salix bark. Seventh one, anti-inflammatory. From aloe vera, aloin is the example, and from licorice, glycyrrhizine is the example. The next one which we are going to discuss, that is the properties. Glycosides are colorless, solid, amorphous. They are colorless except flavonoid. The flavonidal glycosides are yellow or anthraquinone. Sometimes these are red or orange. Glycosides are non-volatile, insoluble in organic solvents. Some glycosides are soluble in alcohol. Glycosides are soluble in water, where glycone part is water soluble but insoluble in organic solvent, and aglycone part water insoluble but soluble in organic solvent. So that is the property of solubility limitation between the glycone and aglycone part. It is having bitter taste except populin, glycyrrhizine, odorless except glycyrrhizine. Next one, identification test of glycosides. The first one, anthraquinone glycosides. Under anthraquinone glycosides, first one, Bontrager's test. Under Bontrager test, 1 gram drug, 5 to 10 ml dilute HCl, 10 ml up to 10 minute boil, filter, extract with carbon tetrachloride, equal amount of ammonia, then filter, shake, you'll get pink to red color. Second one, modified Bontrager test. 1 gram drug, 5 ml dilute HCl, 5 ml ferric chloride, boil for 10 minutes, cool, filter, extract with carbon tetrachloride or benzene, equal amount of ammonia solution, pink to red color. Second one, cardiac glycosides. What are the identification tests for cardiac glycosides? So first one is specific test is there. First one, 3,5-dinitrobenzoic acid test. Alcoholic solution of drug, few drop of sodium hydroxide, 2% of 3,5-dinitrobenzoic acid, you'll get pink color. Second, these are general tests. Second one, Killer-Kiliani test. Alcoholic extract of drug, equal volume of water, 0.5 ml strong lead acetate solution, shake, filter, extract same amount of chloroform, dissolve 3 ml of glacial acetic acid, few drop of FeCl3 solution, 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4, you'll get reddish brown layer. Third one, legal test for cardiac glycosides. Drug plus water, 0.5 ml of strong lead acetate solution, shake, filter, extract with chloroform, 2 ml pyridine and sodium nitroprusside, and add sodium hydroxide, you'll get pink color. Fourth one, under cardiac glycosides, Baljeet test. Section of leaf, for example digitalis, dipped into the sodium picrate, you'll get yellow to orange color. The third identification test for saponin glycosides. Under saponin glycoside, the first identification, hemolysis test. Drop of blood on slide. Few drop of aqueous saponin solution. Appearance of ruptured RBC. So hemolysis takes place here. Second one, foam test. 1 gram drug, 10 to 20 ml water, shake, foam formation. That is the indication of presence of saponin. The fourth one, coumarin glycoside. Specific test. First one, fluorescence test. Drug plus NaOH, blue to green fluorescence. Second one, ferric chloride test. Drug plus ferric chloride, dark green color, and it turned to the yellow on addition of nitric acid. The fifth one, flavonoid glycoside. What are the identification tests for flavonoid glycosides? General test, first one, Shinoda test. Drug plus magnesium turning, dilute HCl, it gives red color. Second one, ammonia test. Drug plus filter paper dipped in the drug, exposed to the ammonia vapor, yellow spots on paper you will find, that is the positive test. Third one, vanillin HCl test. Drug plus vanillin HCl, you will get pink color. The sixth one, cyanogenetic or cyanophoric glycosides. The first test under this, first specific test, that is the sodium picrate test. Drug put onto the conical flask, humidification, and H2SO4, you will get the big brick color with the HCN gas and metallic mercury. General test, first one, cuprocyanate test. Under this, filter paper and copper sulfate, we have to dip in the filter, copper sulfate, and then drug, HCN gas will release. Second one, ferrifurocyanate test. Drug plus alcoholic KOH, then ferrous sulfate and ferric chloride, add HCl, you will get blue color. Third one, precipitation of mercury from mercuric nitrate, HCN gas with metallic mercury. Seventh category under identification test, sterol and triterpenoid glycosides. So for the first sterol, the first test, antimony trichloride test. Under this, drug plus chloroform and antimony trichloride, you will get pink on heating. Second one, tetranitromethane test. Drug plus tetranitromethane, you will get yellow color. Third one, Lieberman-Burchard test. Drug plus chloroform, acetic anhydride, and concentrated H2SO4, you will get violet color. Then Salkowski test, fourth one, for sterol. Drug plus chloroform, extract with the chloroform, add H2SO4, yellow ring turn to the red. That is the indication of presence of sterol. Triterpenoid glycosides, there are trichloroacetic acid test. So these are the different identification tests for the different types of glycosides, right? So here we discussed about the definition, classification, that too in the 4 category, properties, state, color, order, taste, and identification test for different types of glycoside. There is specific test and general test. Further, you need to refer the books for the deep knowledge. Thank you.